All right, we got the Makita XDT13 impact driver. This is the $99 impact driver you can get. Got the 3 amp hour battery. I wanted to know what it will impact a torque spec on a bolt. So I got a lug nut here. It's rated for 1,500 inch-pounds, which equals to, I think, 125 foot-pounds. I saw a bunch of videos, people untorquing 200 foot-pounds with it, but I wanted to know what it torques a bolt to. So I got a loose lug nut here on my truck. See, it's loose. And I got the torque wrench. We're going to start off at 50 foot-pounds. I'm going to tighten this thing. So let's see what it does. That's everything. So let's start with, I got this thing set at 50. Oh, I'm gonna need the socket. I'm gonna need that. Okay, so I got it at, that's at 50. We'll click at 50. Clicks at 50. I'm gonna move it up to 60. That's 60. That's 60. Gonna move it up to 70. That's 70. That's 70. I'm gonna move it up to 80. And where's the line at? That's 80. 80. Clicks it at 80. Now I'm going to move it up to 90. It's hard to see this thing. That's 90. Clicks it at 90. Okay, how about 100? Where's the line? Right there. This is 100. Clicks it at 100. About 120. Or no, is that 110? 110. This is at 110. Man, okay. About 120. It's almost running out on this torque wrench. It's 150. Okay, 120. Okay, there it is. 120. Loosening it up. So there you go. That's what it'll torque to, 120 foot-pounds. So it's about where it's rated. It said 125. That probably was, well, that probably was a little under 120, but I gave it all I got with this thing. And you see there, it's loose. So that's pretty tight right there. So that's what I wanted to know, what it will torque to. And that's with a full charge battery, the Makita impact driver XDT13. It's the $99 the one you can get hit anywhere. The brushless, I like it because it's really small and it's strong enough. 120 foot-pounds torque de lug nut. You seen it right here. All right, I'm out for this one.